What's the meaning of coral? Coral. Coral.
Coral. Coral. Coral refers to a type of marine animal that forms colonies of polyps, which secrete a hard external skeleton made of calcium carbonate. These structures are often found in tropical and subtropical waters and can be formed into complex formations such as coral reefs. Coral has both ecological and economic significance, providing habitats for numerous species and supporting various industries such as tourism and fisheries. However, coral is currently facing numerous threats such as ocean acidification, overfishing, and pollution, which are leading to its decline and loss.